Hey, this is Jerry for Mr. Handyman. We're at Manassas Mall today and we're doing some drywall repair work, sanding, painting. We had to build a 16-foot wall in the back to separate the storefront with the door. We're installing new lighting, light bulbs, and also we're wiring up for some camera outlets for the future. And we're trying to get this project done within a week. So that's what I was telling them.
Hey Louis, what are you doing?
Well, I am sanding.
What are you sanding?
The finisher drywall, and when I start, I sand it with a pulse, and now I come back with my light and a sponge to make sure everything is smooth and nice. So after that, we can primer and then paint it. So
Awesome.
it's nice.
Thanks for the update, Louis. Hey Maurice, tell me what you're doing here at the Perfume World.
Right now, I changed out the lights yesterday, so waiting for the guy to see which lights stay on for the security cameras. We just sanded down everything, so I'm following Louis to get up the drywall dust, so we can put down our drop cloths, get ready to prime the walls, and get them all painted up.
Awesome. Thanks for the update.
Good deal.